an assistant teacher of Pinnacle College. Our 4 days long workshop is going on, and today is the mathematical class of class 7. Our 7 students will explain their geometrical shape and the expression and try to find the angles of the geometrical shape and the LCM and ECM. So let's welcome our students to explain the things. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Maisha Alam from class 7 of Pinnacle College. Today is the 3rd day of our workshop and today's subject is mathematics. So I did HCF and LCM. I solved the HCF in a square shape and the LCM in a circular shape. The area of square is the square sides and the area of circle is pi r square. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Tahiyatul Najimsi from class 7. Today in our math workshop, I have drawn a triangle with this A, B, D, E and C points. In this triangle, now we will try to find the value of A, B, E angle as according to our quotient. So, according to our quotient, it is given that the angle BAC is equal to 50 degrees. So we know that opposite angles are equal. So according to the formula, BAC equal 50 degree. So according to that, it's EBC is also equal to 50 degree. And we know that a straight line is 180 degree. So ADC equal 180 degree. So if we take ABC as 180 degree and EDC as only 50 degree, then we can make it as a mathematical formula like ADE plus EDC equal 180 degree. We know EDC equal 50 degree, so ADE plus 50 degree equal 180 degree. Then we can just subtract the 50 degree from 180 degree to get ADE equal 130 degree. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Maimuna Maksud from class 7. Today I am going to explain the value of ADE. So as you can see, the triangle is ABC and AB is parallel to DE and the value of ABC is 50 degree. So we have to find out the value of ADE, and we know that the opposite angles are equal to each other and straight line, the value of straight line is 180 degree. So ADC is 180 degree. So if you subtract 180 degree with 50 degree, that will get the answer, and the answer is 130 degree. And I